For your tomorrow's menu, we suggest you prepare country potato soup as an appetizer. Cut the leeks into thin circle pieces. Cut the bacon into tiny squares. Cut the potatoes into squares. Put them in a pot to boil. Add some salt and black pepper. Shred some nutmeg. Add the spoon of mixed spices. Bacon, tiny squares. Fry it in a pan shortly. Squeeze the lemon. Sliced leeks. Add to the frying pan. Add the lemon juice to the pan as well. After the potatoes are done boiling, remove the pot from the heat. Smash them with a mixer. And return the pot to the stove. In the same pot, add the milk and polenta and mix with a whisk. After 2 minutes of boiling, remove the pot from the heat. With a ladle, transfer the soup to a big bowl. With a spoon, transfer the leek and the bacon to the big bowl with the soup and decorate with a celery twig. It takes 30 minutes to prepare this appetizer. Bon appetit!